some more babies.
What babies?
When push, you know that when they push the more down, it'll poop one. Watch. It's gonna feel. And then other food. So smart. Here's a snapping turtle. No, mud turtle. They're nice, but the snapping ones just go fast, and they don't be nice. Come on. Come on, this poop. Mommy thought it was just laying there. Look at this, just stopping. Moving them. Right there. I should have gone.
How much?
Egg. Yeah.
Don't tell them.
Don't tell them.
Kakalikul.
Where you guys go? Just walk far that way. Me, Mom, Dad. We're gonna walk that way now. Yeah, I will remember. It's stopping and like go